Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to set your iPhone on vibrate for calls and texts. Turning on your iPhone's vibrate mode can help alert you to incoming calls and texts. You can enable vibrate mode while your iPhone is silenced or in addition to a ringtone. So in this video I'll tell you how to set iPhone to vibrate when receiving calls and texts. So in this video I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For a long time users would set their iPhone to vibrate by finding vibrate in settings, but Apple now calls it haptics, which can be confusing. If you are looking to make the iPhone vibrate, you can change the vibration settings under haptics in settings. For this, go to your settings, tap on it, next scroll down and choose sound and haptics option, and then tap on haptics. From here, you can select haptics to always play. Anytime your iPhone receives an alert, you can choose to have it play in silent mode to make sure your iPhone will vibrate while silenced. Alternatively, you can choose to have your iPhone not vibrate in silent mode by tapping Don't Play in Silent Mode. Lastly, if you never want your iPhone to vibrate, whether it is silenced or not, select Never Play. Now you know how to put your iPhone on vibrate with alert tones while silenced or both. So I hope this video helpful for you, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.